Namaskaram, this is Ashwati Vadakar. Welcome to Career Code. What's a career possibility in cyber security? COVID made everyone high-tech and internet dependable. In this remote working time, there is a surge in cyber threat, making cyber security a real business challenge for the companies. As attacks become common all over the world, the cyber attacks become common for all over the world, companies are forced to adopt new approaches to secure their network and defend their infrastructure from both external and internal cyber security threats. This has brought forward the concept of zero trust model. It's an evolved holistic security approach that will define the security strategies in the future. This advanced model shifts focus from various types of authentication and access controls, including the misconception of single security perimeters, to tailored controls around the sensitive data stores, application systems, and networks. Cybersecurity professionals are skilled to identify the weaknesses in networks, hardware, database, and firewalls. And the most important priority of a cybersecurity professional is none other than preventing the attacks by fixing the potential issues even before they are exploited by the malicious users or attackers. Well, a career in cybersecurity can be highly rewarding. It can also be a very challenging path to tread on. So understanding the positives and negatives of the job is very important. It will also help you to decide if a career in cybersecurity is the right choice for you. There are many different levels of experience and qualification that one can choose from, such as entry level. It's always better to get your foot in the first and learn on the job. Opportunities here include roles like web developers, network engineers, security specialists, etc. Mid-level. For those who have gained a bit of experience, more job opportunities open up that may include security analysts, cybersecurity consultants, incident responders, etc. Advanced level. This is for those who come with a good amount of experience and are equipped to explore the opportunities that may include cybersecurity managers, cybersecurity engineers, chief operating security officers, and cybersecurity architects. Whatever role you choose, there is no better time than now to join the ranks of cybersecurity experts. This COVID time is the best time to join in cybersecurity career. Need of the hour. Actually, what is the need of this hour for these cybersecurity experts? While there are a lot of certifications now available and some institutions have also introduced the courses around the programming and ethical hacking, having a structured curriculum and industry specialist courses is utmost the importance as the whole cybersecurity space is evolving and maturing. We see a growing professionalization in this market. As it moves from hackers to professionals, we can shape the fundamental building blocks of respective industries. But having said that, there is a huge gap in technical talent that companies are looking out for. According to industry experts, against an estimated demand for 1 million cybersecurity experts, India has less than 10,000 professionals. And this gap only seems to be widening. As companies struggle with an array of internal and external threats, skills like artificial intelligence, machine learning, and automation are playing large roles in bridging that gap by correlating threat intelligence and coordinating response at machine speed. During this time, when our economy is struggling and many careers are taking a hit, cybersecurity jobs are most likely to stay in demand as data safety is common and important concern. Our advice would only be to never stop learning regardless of the challenges. Cybersecurity career will only continue to grow, and it is important to stay motivated, stay educated, and stay secure. And the important institutions in India which are offering the cybersecurity courses. Here are the prominent institutions offering the cybersecurity courses in India as per NIR of 2020 by MHRD, Government of India. First one, Indian Institute of Technology, Chennai. Indian Institute of Technology, Mumbai. Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur. Indian Institute of Technology, New Delhi. Indian Institute of Technology, Kanpur. Indian Institute of Technology, Roorkee. Indian Institute of Technology, Hyderabad, Indian Institute of Technology, Gandhinagar, Ahmedabad, Indian Institute of Technology, Rupanagar, Indian Institute of Technology, Patna, Indian Institute of Technology, North Guwahati, Indian Institute of Technology, Tiruchirappalli, and the first private institute or the university which is offering the cyber security course is Vellore Institute of Technology, Vellore. Thank you.